What's up, cyber friends? Kyser here. So the advent of Cyber 2021 has officially begun. I'm very new to TryHackMe. I'm very new to Capture the Flag, and this is my first ever advent of Cyber, and I'm very excited to give it a shot and see what it's all about. Let's go! The inventory management systems used to create the gifts have been tampered with to frustrate the elves. It's a night shift and McStoker comes to McSkitty panicking about the gifts all being built wrong. With no managers around to fix the issue, McSkitty needs to somehow get access and fix the system and keep everything on track to be ready for Christmas. Learning objectives. What is an IDOR vulnerability? How do I find and exploit IDOR vulnerabilities? And 3 is challenge walkthrough. So what is an IDOR vulnerability? IDOR stands for Insecure Direct Object Reference and is a type of access control vulnerability. Here we can see the profile page is being requested and a parameter ID with the value of 23 is being passed in the query component. This page could potentially be showing us personal user information, and by changing the ID parameter to another value, we could view other users' data. Examining the contents of forms on a website can sometimes reveal fields that could be vulnerable to IDOR exploitation. Take, for example, the following HTML code for a form that updates a user's password. So this is the HTML code. So input user hidden name user ID value 123. You can see from the highlighted line that the user's ID is being passed to the web server in a hidden flag. Changing the value of this field from 123 to another user ID may result in changing the password for another user's account. To stay logged in to a website such as this one, cookies are used to remember your session. Usually this involves sending a session ID, which is a long string of random, hard to guess text such as that, which the web server securely uses to retrieve your user information and validate your session. Sometimes, though, less experienced developers may store user information in the cookie itself, such as the user IDs. Changing the value of this cookie could result in displaying another user's information. See below for an example of how this might look. So we got cookie user ID equals 9, cookie user ID equals 5. Challenge walkthrough. Click the green View Site button at the top right of this task to open the inventory management system. Here you'll find a mock browser on the completed orders page showing images of the toys which have been made incorrectly due to the Grinch's tampering. That son of a gun. Oh, here we go. This is just a mini website here. Is this me? I'm on Junior Twitter. Oh, that's McSkitty. That's not me. I thought McSkitty was. This is a. I don't know. The build page shows different toys and the parts they are made up of. As you can see, due to tampering, these are all incorrect. The inventory. Well, it's okay. Let's go ahead and look at that. Toy train, train base, teddy bear head. Teddy bear has a spinning top plunger and a teddy bear body. And the spinning top has spinning top base and train wheels. Obviously, all that is wrong. Okay, makes sense. I'm tracking so far. Let's go ahead and click on this inventory. So these are the SKUs, description of the part. Okay, so far makes a lot of sense. I guess I am playing as McSkitty, so I guess that is me. If I am McSkitty. I guess. I think that's how it works. And IDOR vulnerability requires changing some kind of user input out of all the pages we can navigate to. The only page that has input that can be altered is on your activity page. You'll see the URL, a query component parameter named user ID, which is set to the value of 11, McSkitty user ID. Okay, try changing the user ID value in the address bar, and you'll see that the web application tries to load another user's information. Try different numbers between the values 1 and 20 until you find a user who could have been responsible for tampering the system. So I'm assuming I gotta figure out how to get control of the Grinch. Ooh, can I get it on the first try? Can I get it on the first try? Let's go. I'm going 12. Nope, these are not found. You know what? Let's just go. Santa's number 1. He's positioned the boss. Heck yeah, Santa. All right. Let's see who number 2 is. No one. He doesn't have an employee. Let's go back to Santa. Let's read that real quick. Employee that you want? It's just Santa. Okay. Nothing else. Nothing with 2. So C3. McStoker. He's the build manager. Employee number 3. What happened to employee number 2? We don't have a 4. We don't have a 5. We don't have a 6. No 7. No 8. Oh, we got the Grinch. The mischief manager. The Grinch. Look at him being all mischievous. He changed these. Clicking the revert button on the user's actions will roll back the changes and allow the toy making machine to make properly built toys again. Once all the changes have been reverted, you'll be rewarded with a flag which can be entered below. Okay, let's go ahead and revert these changes to the SKUs that the Grinch made. Revert, 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 revert. Miss Kitty has fixed the inventory management system. Let's go! And that is our flag. What is the receive flag when Miss Kitty fixes the inventory management system? That's this one. That's correct. So let's go back to Santa. Let's go to my activity. Santa's number 1. Santa's the boss. What's their primary position? So he's the boss. That's correct. After finding McStoker's account, what is their primary position? Or build manager. Build manager. After finding the account responsible for tampering, what is their primary position? It was the mischief manager, I believe. He's number 9, the Grinch. I think we can just copy and paste these. Oh, got that one right. If you want to learn more about IDR vulnerabilities, we should just try out this room. It's for subscribers only. I don't have an account, so let's go back. Alright, well, we checked it out. Tasks release each day to get progressively harder, but are still guided with walkthrough videos. Come back tomorrow for Days 2's task. So I hit complete. And I'm done. That was it. That was very simple. That was very easy. The main thing here for me, the thing I learned was IDOR. In the post variables here, you know, you change the values of that, and in the cookies, it's stored in the cookies. So interesting, but very easy challenge for the first one. I expected it to be pretty easy, not challenging at all. Pretty fun, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple, super easy, and I can't wait to see what next week has in store for us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit the like button if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. You're obviously interested in cybersecurity related content if you clicked on this video and made it this far, and that's what this channel is all about. This is actually my first cybersecurity related YouTube video, and so I can only improve from here. But to give you an idea of where this channel is going to go, so we're going to be completing the Advent of Cyber 2021. So we got 24 more of these types of videos. And then to give you an idea of where I want to go with this channel and my content, I'm going to read you my mission statement, which can be found on my website, kyserclark.com. My mission is to make cyberspace better and safer for everyone by committing to lifelong learning, sharing knowledge with the community, and inspiring others to do the same. So if you're interested in that mission and that type of content, hit the subscribe button. And follow me on social media. I'm at Kyser Clark on everything. And hopefully I see you around. Thank you so much for watching again. Peace out. Take care. Have a good one. Kyser, out.